Hi YouTube, this is Otter7066 here to give you a mock update on my LEGO Elven Fortress. Here is the whole thing. It's mostly made out of wooden pieces with some plants and sand. And then down at the bottom, there's a little drain. Here we have two towers with an arc connecting them, a little bit of torches, a tree here, some plants on the top, and the battlements below have two defenders as well as two here. Here's the mock scene from the back. Here's the top part of the battlements again, just from the back, and if you look at the sides, there's a little extra floor space here, and on the other side as well. Here's the chains they use to get up and down. Here's the main floor space. There's a barrel of weapons and some torches. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, favorite, or subscribe. Watch out for my other videos that are coming up soon. See you next time. Bye.